Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go!
Taylor polynomials make complex functions look easy, so let us master this quick approximation technique right now to solve this problem in under 60 seconds flat. Start by writing the third-degree Taylor polynomial centered at x equals 1. Use the standard formula involving the function value in its first three derivatives at that specific point. Now plug in the values from our table. We have f of 1 is 1, f prime is 2.2, f double prime is 3, and f triple prime is negative. Finally, substitute 0.7 for x. This makes the term x minus 1 equal to negative 0.3. Calculate each term carefully to find the final approximation. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Avoid skipping the factorial or wrong signs. Always use the formula and check your arithmetic.